Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about topics, cryptocurrency. Is it real, or is it just another scam? Let's break it down and get to the facts. First, what exactly is cryptocurrency? It's a digital currency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, built on blockchain technology. In simple terms, blockchain is a secure, transparent way to track transactions without needing a middleman like a bank. That's why many people see it as the future of money. But is it safe? There are definitely success stories. People have made millions investing in crypto, and big companies are even starting to accept it. But there are risks too. Scams, frauds, and market crashes are all part of the crypto world. In 2021 alone, billions were lost to crypto fraud. So, is it legit? The truth is, cryptocurrency is a real financial tool, but like any investment, it has its risks. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You need to do your research, understand the market, and be prepared for volatility. So, what do you think? Is cryptocurrency the future, or is it just a bubble waiting to burst? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated.